We got one. Get down to HQ. Dog. Dog. I'm on my way.
I have a beard of lipstick.
We got a new suspect in today. It's the perp.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Yes. Continue, dog. She's wanted because she missed her court date and she's on the run. We've looked at multiple places. Today we're going to her cousin's house. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. So, yeah. That's what we got today. Dear Lord, please be with us today as we go to catch this prostitute. And just watch over Beth. And just be with us. Amen. Let's roll out. Let's roll out. Oh shit, we got it. I think we got the play. We got a match. We got a match. We're here at 112. Beep, beep, beep. I'm king of the world.
Okay. I know y'all here looking for the prostitute man, but I ain't seen him in weeks, y'all. I'm telling you, he ain't been here. I wouldn't have posted his bail if I would have known he was gonna jump his bond.
I have a taser, bitch. Sorry. Enough. What are we hearing from the back room? Do you mind if we go check?
Go ahead.
Dog. Don't think she's telling the truth. He's here. I heard. They're in the fucking house. They're in the house. Come on, let's go. Here.
I'm telling you, I don't know where he is. He got 7 kids, man.
It's not adding up, bitch.
We're playing hide and go seek now.
Bitch. Dog. Apprehend him. Told you he was behind the couch. Ain't nobody. Nobody fucked with Dog and Beth. You done for, bitch. She ain't cooperating. Step 2. No one fucks with Beth. Oh, you fat piece of shit!
You thought you could be smooth?
You thought you could be smooth, bitch?
You fat ugly bitches! You fat ugly bitch!
And Beth, you're a man other than these big boobs!
I thought you were having a stick.
Ain't nobody come fuck with Beth, the hunter. You gotta start taking care of your kids, man.
My girl.
You gotta start taking care of your kids, baby.
I know, I just messed up a couple of times.
You want a cig?
Yes, please, can I have one for one last time before
Let
I
me
go to
tell you
jail?
something. This ain't the show. It's the Beth and Dog show.
I want to join you guys' team after I get better and stuff, you know, like, after I get this heroin addiction taken care of, I mean, that's what's the problem.
You got 7 kids, you gotta start changing your weight. Let's get out of here, cause it's 100 degrees. I'm burning to death.
We're at the station anyway, and I took one hit of my cigarette.
Beth and Dog really changed my life. Made it so I'm this transvestite that I am today.